أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again. Today we are going to make halwa from carrots, known as Gajar ka halwa. So what you need is carrots, which we have here. You need butter. You need one of these things, whatever they're called, and you need sugar. You need cardamom powder. You need dried milk and a mixing bowl. So the carrots we have are very big. Can you see? Almost size of my arm. So it's best if you have large carrots. It's easy to shred, and with a small one, it's a bit difficult. So we're gonna start with the carrots first. Okay, so here we have a cup of almonds, which is already been, it's almond flakes basically. So a cup of that. We're gonna use 1 cup of sugar, and we're gonna use 2 cups of dried milk. Okay, so as you can see, we have peeled the carrots. Now we're going to wash the carrots and start grating it. When your carrot gets to this stage, you get rid of it if you like your nails. Okay, so that's all the carrots, which was 2 bags. In weight, it weighs 3 kg. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is melt the butter and add the carrots. Because we said we're gonna put 1 cup of sugar, but the carrots are more than what we used to cook. I think we cooked last time 2 kg, so we're gonna add more sugar to it. Okay, so that's 1 block of butter, which is 250 grams. Okay, so cardamom. Okay, now put the carrots in. Okay, as you can see, it's come up to the top of the pot. We'll put the lid on, and this will go down. Okay, as you can see, it's going down. And just to let you know, we haven't added any water or any milk. What you see, what you see is the water from the carrots itself. Spilled some carrots over there. Okay, now at this stage, we'll add the sugar. That's 1 cup, and a little bit over. Okay, so the carrots you get in Pakistan, in color they are red. The carrots you get here, grown in the UK, are somewhat orange. Um, I mean, it's perfectly fine, to have your halwa as a natural color as the carrots are. That's how we, normally make it. But I've just thought if we could add a little bit, just a tip of probably a matchstick, a red color, then we'll give it a good color, a red color. So for the first time, we'll try adding a food color to it. Uh, the amount of red color we're adding is very very little, so it's very very small amount. Now we're going to mix it. Okay, so we added um, a little bit more. What we added, we should have 2 times that, and it's coming out red. But you don't want to put too much food color, otherwise it's not gonna be good. Now it's okay. It's okay now. Still need to be mixed. Okay, so as you can see, we'll wait for the water to evaporate, and then we'll add the milk. And as you can see, the color of the carrots is much better than before. So I would recommend if you add the color. Okay, so now at this stage we're going to add the milk, powdered milk, and if you have the actual koya, you can add that instead. Now you need to mix it. It's coming out good. Okay, so the carrot halwa, gajar ka halwa is now ready. We'll now serve it. Okay, so this is your halwa, or my halwa rather. Uh, you can garnish it with whatever fruits you like. Um, I put almonds on there, and let's give it a try. Bismillah. Mashallah. I must say it's really, really delicious. Really, really good. Now, this halwa can be served with ice cream, you see. You can have ice cream with it, eat it with ice cream, or eat it without ice cream, whichever you prefer. Or try both. Mashallah, really nice. You must try. If you haven't, you must try, cook it. It's very easy. All it is just carrots, shredded carrots, into the butter, adding your sugars and your milks, and you come out with this delicious thing, gajar ka halwa. So it's worth the effort, even though there isn't a lot of effort that goes into it. It's very very delicious, very very sweet. You see the texture. So thanks for watching our video, and please do subscribe. Till next time, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.